Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. I saw a post recently on LinkedIn, or a comment rather, on a BDD post. The comment was that this person had never seen a product owner or a business person or a stakeholder actually show any interest in a test case, whether it's written in BDD scenario format or any other format. And that's actually a really good point. It's actually a very fair comment. People will not be interested in your BDD scenarios or your given when then scenarios if you just write them as test cases. Product owners, stakeholders, they don't care about your test cases. They just want the product to work. On the other hand, a BDD approach is not about writing test cases in any particular format. A BDD approach is when you talk to your stakeholders, you talk to your business folk, your product owners, your business analysts, whoever is involved in clarifying and understanding the requirements, preferably someone actually using the product, but we don't always have them on hand. Anyway, so BDD is about having that conversation and working out the examples and the business rules together. And then you come up with this set of key business rules and key examples that illustrate those business rules. And they're not in any particular format. You just write them as post-its or bullet points or notes. You don't need to format that. You're having the conversation. But then when you go away and turn those conversations into a given when then format, or whatever other structured format you want to use, and you show them to the product owner, then they will take interest. You basically say to them, hey, remember we were talking about this business rule, this requirement. Here it is in a structured format that we can execute. Is this a correct understanding of what we talked about? Totally different from saying, here, I've got a whole lot of given when then test cases. Can you have a look at them? It's a very, very different approach, much more collaborative and much more effective. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. Thanks for listening, folks.